Okay, so in this video, how to see your subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so to see your subscribers, make sure to log into your YouTube channel. After that, just go up to the top right corner, click on your profile image, go down and click on YouTube Studio. So this will open up your YouTube Studio. So under channel dashboard, go down to this one, recent subscribers. Click on see all. So here you can see your subscribers if they share their subscription public. So now you can play around, you can sort by date. You can click on the subscriber and go to their channel. You can see when they subscribe, how many subscribers, and you can click on subscribe to subscribe to them. Okay everyone, so if this helped you out, please subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. Comment below if you have any questions. Okay everyone, so I hope this video solved your problem. Don't miss out on my latest video right here. Just click on this image. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.